Good morning, students of class 6th. How are you? I hope you all will be fine at your home. In the previous classes, I had taught you first chapter of your English grammar book, that is the noun case. In the previous two classes, I had taught you about the four cases of noun, that was the nominative case, objective case, vocative case and possessive case. Today I will teach you in detail about fourth cases of noun, that is possessive case. When the form of a noun is changed to show ownership or possession, it is said to be in the possessive case. For possession, when noun is used, it is said to be in possessive case. The possessive case of a noun is usually formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. You add apostrophe s before the noun to make it possessive case, but in some cases only the apostrophe is used and the letter s is omitted. But at some places only apostrophe is used and the letter s is omitted. Now I will tell you about the rules of apostrophe s, how you use apostrophe s. First, apostrophe s is used with singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in s. You use apostrophe s with singular and plural nouns not ending in s, such as a man's job. Man is ending in at n, so a man's job. Men's is a plural word, men, men, and it is not ending at s, so men's work, woman's parlor, a child's voice. Second, a simple apostrophe is used with plural noun ending in s. When noun is plural, you use only apostrophe, not s. For example, a girl's school, the Sharma's car, the student's hostel. They are plural form, the students, and it is ending in at s, so only apostrophe is used. Third, the nouns or names ending in s usually take only the apostrophe, same as the second rule, but ending in s, such as Archimedes' laws, Pierre's soap, Socrates' followers. Archimedes is ending at s, it is a singular person and his name is ending in s, so only apostrophe is used here. Pierre's soaps, Pierre's is a company and it is ending in at s, so only apostrophe will be used here. Fourth case, in case of a compound words, the last word takes the apostrophe. When there is compound words, means group of words, then last word will take the apostrophe s. For example, the school teacher's job. It is a compound word, last word is school. In a school teacher is the last word, so the school teacher's job. My brother-in-law's house. Now come to fifth rule. In case of a noun or a title containing several words, as it is used only with the last word. When there is a title which contains several words, then s is used with the last word. For example, the king of Bhutan's visit. Sixth, when two nouns are in opposition, apostrophe s is added to the appositive, not to the noun. Example, that is Tagore, the poet's house. That is Tagore, the poet's house. The poet is describing about Rabindranath Tagore, and that is Tagore, the poet's house. 7. When two nouns are closely connected, apostrophe s is used with the second noun. When two nouns are closely connected, Karim and Salim's bakery. Here the bakery is related to both Karim and Salim, so Karim and Salim's bakery. William and Mary's rain. 8. When two nouns are connected by and add apostrophes to each of the nouns if they imply separate possession. Here the possession is separated, means they have different positions, such as Raja Rao's and R.K. Narayan's novels. Novel is Raja Rao's novel and R.K. Narayan's novels. Both have their novels and they are separate novels. Now next I will tell you about how to use the possessive case. The possessive case is restricted to the nouns shown below. First, nouns denoting person as Anu's book. Possessive case is used with persons, noun denoting persons such as Anu's book. Second, noun denoting living things like animal, birds, insect. With this you use apostrophe s such as a monkey's tail. Third, nouns denoting personified things such as India's heroes, nature's laws. Noun denoting time or space or weight or values. A day's journey, a boat's length, that is space, a ton's weight, that is weight, 5 pounds worth, that is value. Now for your kind information, as you know, stores have been opened and now you can buy your books and copies from the stores. Thank you.